So yeah, it's an amazing camera. So which do you prefer? So guys, quality wise, if you want to have a very good quality video and less editing, then GoPro is for you. But if you want to shoot once and edit after, which takes a lot of time, I tell you, you have to be ready for that. Insta360 X2 is great, but you guys have to choose. But because there's a new camera out from Insta360 as of the moment, the Insta360 OneRS, so you've got to choose which camera you're gonna use, whether the RS 4K or the GoPro Hero 10. And I'd say the advantage of the GoPro 10 is that still image quality, but one big advantage of Insta360 RS is that you can change the lens. You can use it like a GoPro, and also you can use it like a what do you call this one, like a Insta360, the Insta360 mod. So yeah, so if you wanna use one camera for everything, it's better if you use the Insta360 OneX2, because you can bring one camera and one other mod that you can switch it to 360 or a regular view like the GoPro, the 4K mod. Or if you want to have like a lot better quality, then you can also use you can buy the Leica lens. It's a 1-inch sensor mod, and actually it's a nice nice thing to add in your bag if you want to have more quality if you want to travel in a minimalist way. So yeah, so that's Crystal. So this is the good thing about also for GoPro, the quality. And if I want you to see what I'm seeing now, then I can do that. But the miss frames, the one that you have in Insta360 OneX2 is better. So now I'm pointing to myself, and for the Insta360 OneX2 I'm not doing anything, and I'm gonna have this now I'll edit it facing to in front of me, but I still need to turn my GoPro front and back so that it can you can see it. But for me it's a lot easier to use the Insta360 OneX2. But look at that, it has the microphone, so quite easy. So pwede man ta mo kuan, pwede ba ta mo liko mo agi dito. So now I just switch my camera. Now the one that you're looking at right now is the GoPro. Over here is facing to me, is on my bike, and I'm using my Insta360 OneX2 over here. So because I have my mic on, it is so versatile where I can just point like this, the B-roll this way. Kiring bantay da kuan kiring ha. So here, so we're gonna go up this way, and look at that. Isn't it cool? It's a very nice device to have. So mean, like these cameras are, I mean, I have to say GoPros, it's a very handy camera. If you want to just edit more simple, then yeah, go get the GoPro. If you want to have one shot and do it all camera, get the Insta360 OneX2. And you know what? I think these camera, you won't get wrong with these cameras, but you just need to be ready with the battery of the GoPro, because it's a bit on the tough, what do you call this one, bad side. So now in GoPro you can only see crystal, no, me, but the Insta360 OneX2, I can point the camera. You can see in a GoPro right now what I'm doing. So it's a very amazing camera to have, I tell you. And yes. Huh? So both of my mics are on my chest. This is the Insta360 OneX2, and this is the Comica Boom XD. But I think the price-wise, Comica Boom XD also is a very good price. You can have a very good price for this camera because it's kind of cheap and quality is there. So you can't get wrong with it. If you want more quality and smaller and more usable for Insta360 OneX2, then yeah, go get the Go Wireless 2. And I don't think my dad and the others are still here. It's okay. So time check, it's already 5:49, so it's time to return the bike to this side. And also, if you want to go all the way to Tungchung, you can take the bus here to Tungchung. Actually, it's on that side. Asa tanaw na to sila dito? Asa ka sila?
Ay, siguro sila dito.
Uli na tong bike?
So, napamay ko an.
10 minutes.
10 minutes ka lang. Balik ka na to.
Balik na to eh. Because it's already 5:49, so we won't have enough time. What's that ring? So, yeah.
1 hour na mo kuya.
1.5. Okay. What's that ring? Sorry. Huh?
1 hour na mo ka.
1.5. Sorry. Okay. So, yes, Pangyao. Thank you so much, Pangyao.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, your bike is in a very good condition.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll give you back.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll give you back. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, cool. I'll give you 200.
So the rent is $20 per hour, and
Nagatag 600. Ako wala akong nagatag. 60 na, bayad na tayo.
so $20 per hour. If you want to use it for the whole day, it's $60. If you want to use it starting from the morning, yes, it's 60. And actually, the good thing about this shop is that their bikes are in a good condition. Okay lang bike, no?
Ano ka kumukha na kay?
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye. Mana. So the deposit is $200, and now we're going back to where we were earlier, and I was supposed to buy a drink. Kailan may i-coke, but sige, ato na lang.
Round 2 ulit ko.
Lagi? Nice. Look at that bike. It's quite cool.
Bro, wala ka, ang sa tawag ito nga bike?
Unsa man?
Katagwa ka manobela?
Unsa man?
Forever bike.
Oh.
Mas kinunsahan pagkuhan, di ba mo bulag?
Bro, igat ang iga, bro.
May pang bike, forever.
Forever, dude. Basig na sila diha ba?
Aw, basta.
Liliaw ko na to dire. Basig na sila dire. Wala. Na.
Oh, Ronin sila.